subsidiary of Philips in Kenya. They are also 100-year-old company and the leading pharmaceutical company having more than 10 subsidiaries and all. It is something like CEON. Okay. So not that big, but they are well reputed over there. So Africa, 7 countries they are going to take up. We have got Prima Info in Malaysia. They were the first who invited us 2 years back. We did trial with government for around $4 million project. Somehow government changed and we could not capture it. So they got discouraged, they invested a lot. So they are now tapping the private market. Yes, it's fast. Oman, we have got a Factech is our partner who is dealing to MS Holding only. So they got a very good one client. That has got 3 schools and also franchisee of that. They are the employees, most of them are from Europe, US, Africa. Very diversified. We got very good example. Silver Touch, we have a partner in Gujarat. Like Silver Touch, you see 5 companies. Like that, we are going to have more than 50 partners in India. And right now also, I see that my name coming from everywhere. The partners are not doing it, getting a sales, and we just go and help them in demonstrations.
For demo, do you have any online demo?
Yes, everything is there. Okay. The online demo is a good over site. I will just log in and see that. You have a lot of PPT, videos, and all the things. There will be some effort required from your side that how to make that PPT, whatever we have made from our point of view. Here, seeing the need of the customer, their pocket and everything, you have to make it. Okay. That is totally your freedom. How to do that? Okay. And we not try to object because we like to see how you take it. You might take better than us. Okay. But we have set an example in Oman, Dubai, and Kuwait. It means it can go. If we can get 8 clients in 6 months, again, we got 4 months. 4 months, we got 7 clients. Next 1 year we should get at least 100. So there is a proof of concept that has been sold and that to big companies. Without going Oman we cracked it, just online. We were handling the presentation, he was handling the commercial, understanding the psychology, they were asking for 7 lakh, we sold for 12 lakh. Which we can do it. At this moment, just 2-3 examples are enough to test. That it can stand.
And the current development which is going on in Kuwait, it's for the 3 schools. And the interesting part is what? In Kuwait, you know, in Middle East, the school is owned by the company. And they have 5-10 schools. So everyone wants what? They want to connect all the schools, run with the single payroll and all this reporting part and everything. So that school is the same situation as for the other schools. So they want, but the interesting part is they are developing their own curriculum and everything. They want their own visionaries and everything. So we are customizing everything. And the school is owned again by the bigger group. You know about Al Shaya.
Yeah.
He is the owner for those schools. And we are, no, our first client in Middle is Al Shaya. Shaya's name is Beg. And that person who earns the money in a multi-second. That was he sits for 6 hours. He browsed through the entire product. And second he said, let's continue the presentation. And he met, before us, he met more than 20-30 companies for learning management system for entire ERP. Finally, he hooked up with us and we cracked the deal. Not just matter of the, not only the financially part, our product is a bit expensive than other, but he understands what is the software is helping out and, you know, supporting the students and everything. So for that reason, he accepts our product.
Also, we can get more customers, but as Mr. Hakim advised me, we have to focus on one company as school. After that, we can get it easy. We have to focus on some schools in one group. After that, we can get it. Because the important thing in Kuwait to build the good restaurant.
We are not waiting for that.
After that, they will trust you.
There has been good support from Hakim side. Wherever there was a delay, travel schedule, financial, everything they help. So my team does not get stuck anywhere. So there has been free flow. My team has been staying over here. They have been concentrating. But unfortunately, they had something more deeper requirement. Okay, we thought to take off much earlier. We are taking a little bit more time because in finance only they want a 3-digit after the decimal, and we could not get it. Whole software is dynamically. In Africa, we do not want anything after decimal. We don't have any currency. Why you are showing me everywhere? So we change everything. We adapt everything.
Yeah, Kuwait requires that, right?
No,
Yeah.
Oman also has.
Yeah. And the interesting part is, any accountant, right? They want 5 level of accounts. I don't understand why they need a 5 level. They are not running a trading company. But they said no school. So for the school standard, according to the school standard, because those people they had the thorough study. But they say no 5. So to creating another one module means one another level for 5 years. So then you have to say, so these people they are doing rapidly because we understand the market. We cannot debate with the customer.
Correct.
No, client requirement is
And
clear.
also you can't sell for
He said simple. See, after what happened, see, listen, what is the interesting part? Client said, no, we use 5 layers. Then I said, okay, talk to your account department. Can he delay and can he work on 4 level? He said, no, we can run on 4 level, no problem when he give letter. So then then client also understands, the owner understands. He is already process is going. He asked you, what is the advantage? He said, no, we have 5 modules, 5 level, it's okay for us, it's more advanced. But are you going to use really 5 level of account? No. Some school said, no, give me 50 modules or give me 30 modules. But even you're buying a 50 module, if you are not using what? So we got up with the new plan. Okay, even you buy 10 modules, we install 50 module in your system.
Pay me only for what you use.
Pay me whatever you use, and when he is starting use, I understand that. Okay, now he don't ask for library, but after that when he set up the library, he said no, let's connect the library online. So you go automatically and he started using. So billing comes automatically. So that model, the pricing figure, we are very flexible.
So initially 10 module enter and then later on.
That would be a good entry strategy also.
Correct.
Start with the basic 10 modules and then.
But you know what problem we did first 3 years, we tried to sell 50 modules. Yeah, we have got 50 modules. But once the 50 module pricing goes 10 lakh, 20 lakh, they try to bargain it. Because they want to feel delighted. I bargained.
Correct.
Okay. But let us say, don't use 50 modules, just start 10. So the scope of bargaining is very less. In 3 lakh, how much you will discount? 10,000, 20,000. Once that they have started using, at least I have gone to 10 clients, 8 clients are cracked. Instead of selling 50 modules, I went to 8 and cracked 2. So it is better to enter business. So in Kuwait, Oman, we did same. They wanted 15, we gave them 15. But when they saw the product, they asked 24. I said, okay, 24. In Dubai also, they wanted 50, we were bargaining. I said, take 30. 50 I will give you for 1 year, but you have to pay me later on. But you use it. So the scope of bargaining was very less. Okay. Now let us understand the challenges in managing education. Various challenges. Schools, there are 4 stakeholders in the education. 5, 6 actually. 4. School, teacher, students, parents. But there is a government also. One more stakeholder is there. They all have a different challenges. And they lose their valuable 5 days per month in just managing those things. Not the actual thing. Lost data. Teacher is getting lost. The repetitive and administrative task. Not administrative, actually repetitive.
Same thing.
Yes, again and again. Now the students, no personal attention. I don't know how many students they secured 80%, 90%, but where am I? Whole school has to work for him. He is concerned about that. Even the parents. Too much of communication, no regular working parents, remedial access on the loss of 4 days kind of thing valuable in which they lose because of no right information. Now, let us see how do we approach in the market. 90s, there was an information based attendance market. Give me information. Everybody gave to a software. There are 2 kinds of software if you see today. One administrative challenges. A software to meet administrative challenges. Now there are some software to meet the academic intelligence requirements. Today if you see there are 5,000 schools in India. They are looking for administrative and there is a knowledge based requirement. They still want to find a trend. But still there was a requirement information which is being fulfilled right now. There is a requirement knowledge which will be fulfilled later. The information could have been filled in 90s only with the right product. Today when the requirement is knowledge based, still we are getting a automation software. But after 5 years, every school will have some software. Every parent will have a login ID. It cannot be like bank account, you have got a restaurant, where child is there, everything is online. That time will be the intelligence. Once we have got everything knowledge there, what intelligence? So they will be looking for this kind of software. So when 5,000 school will go to 50,000, intelligence software will be hardly in 5 to 500. There's a big gap. 50,000 schools will look for this, while only 500 will be having that. After 15 years, we don't know after 15 years, 2025, what will happen. Since MS Holding is a big company, futuristic, we must talk future. And we must put our total 3 years in the right direction. Okay. 2050, there will be 5 lakh schools. And there will be hardly 3 schools having this. So this will be the gap. Now these software requirement of this required. Very big requirement of capture. So if today's education ERP must have base and a scope for tomorrow. If not, then it is very costly. After putting a normal software in 10 years, and if you want to analyze the child in years, you never capture the data.
Can you use the washroom?
Yeah.
Sure.